This is a love reading for you, Aquarius, for you and your love interest. In this reading, I'm going to do a heart shape spread and see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. So, if you would like a personal reading, you should write to me asking for a personal reading. Do make sure you go through my newsletter. I have given the link in the description box. So I have taken out the cards, and these cards are this is a love spread. So I will explain the cards as I start to talk about the reading. So who are you two in the relationship, Aquarius, you and your partner? I am seeing is Aquarius, you've been working on something and it's been keeping you away in the relationship or in the marriage. So you've been coming late home, or you've not been talking much, or you've been always been sitting with some calculator and a file, and you're always calculating some money part about your business. About your partner, I'm saying he or she is feeling little bit let down, that emotionally you're not available, there's not much for your partner to do, or he or she feels that you keep them out of your life. So there is a certain disconnect, and it is coming more from your work situation where you are required or you're pulling in lot of work, and there is just so much money which is about to come. Some of you are also waiting for a payday, so there is a good bonus or a profit that's going to be coming along, and you're looking forward to it, Aquarius. As a partner, as I'm seeing the cards, you're actually a very happy go lucky person, but then you get affected when you don't have that emotional time, or you don't get to talk with Aquarius as much, or talk about the smallest of things, how you're feeling or how you want things to be. So you get affected very easily as a partner. Now, what is the strength and challenges the two of you bring? You are not so some people like their space a lot, and you are one of them, Aquarius. You don't let people into your personal space so easily. You are someone who keeps people out, or you take your own time to get people into your close circle. You are also someone who likes to meet or grow with people only after an introduction. So unless you are introduced, you don't like to make close friends. So some lot of people around you feel that you don't very quickly mingle or welcome people on board, and you take your own sweet time, or maybe some introduction, or only if a friend of a friend is being introduced to you, only then you start to open up, or somebody comes through somebody's reference. Very particular about this. When I see the strength and challenges about your partner, he or she is very solid with how their mind is. Your partner is also someone very well to do. He or she has a good job situation, and your partner has worked a lot, and he or she is a smart worker. So, a lot of you Aquarius, you can take certain advice or wisdom from your partner on how to go about things, how to run the business in a certain way, because I'm seeing there's a lot of success that can come along. Also, some of you may have made a lot of money, or you have done some very good investment as a partner, and it's all coming through a lot of patience, hard work, and good education. So, a lot of success here, partner, that I'm seeing with you. So, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who doesn't like to go out much, or doesn't like to explore things. So maybe some of you Aquarius, you feel your partner plays very safe, and doesn't like to take a risk, whether it is in a relationship, whether it is about traveling, about trying out new things. Your partner tries to play very, very safe. So you see your partner as someone amazingly cautious, and doesn't just go with the flow, or just doesn't go with the flow, or a certain spontaneity. He or she needs a lot of convincing to go exploring or try new things. Your partner sees you as someone who's amazingly happy, with whom he or she wants to be with forever, and sees you as someone who's always there emotionally. So your partner sees you, Aquarius, as somebody with whom they are happily ever after, and totally in a bliss. Your partner is very very happy with you. Only complaint he or she now has is that you're keeping them out, not telling them what is keeping you busy, and smallest of things that your partner cannot share with you because you're so busy with your work, or just something that maybe suddenly your work has gone big also, Aquarius, so you're not able to spend as much time at home or with your partner. But your partner is totally convinced that you are the one, and it's all good. So your partner is very very happy with you, Aquarius. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, and likewise your partner has about you? About the future, Aquarius, you're very convinced that this is a relationship which can go very big, and it will be promising in terms of very good and a comforting luxurious life. And you see a lot of money between the two of you, so you do see that you will settle very well with your partner if this relationship continues the way it is continuing. Some of you are in complete bliss with this partner, even if it is your spouse. You're very very happy with how your partner or your spouse is handling money or looks after the money part. So you feel that even if you are not so good at money management, your partner can take care of lot of things. So money wise and even good life wise, you feel your partner is so polished. You see total absolute future with this partner, so you're very committed. There's a lot of happiness that you look forward to with this partner. Your partner feels that sometimes you tend to give up, Aquarius. You struggle a lot and then you almost feel defeated, and it's just that your partner feels maybe career wise you could be not trying so hard, or you could be doing a little bit of smart work. So when I'm seeing these cards, I'm getting a very clear guidance that, Aquarius, you need to speak to your partner and pick up some smart skills or how to do work more smartly, because he or she is working very smartly, but you are someone who's laboring it day in day out and then still struggling in some way. And that's how your partner is also saying that maybe you'll continue to keep struggling and not listen to what they are saying, or not discuss your problems with your partner. Also, your partner feels if you were to open up a little bit more, he or she can help you. So let us see what is the past you are coming from and what is the past your partner is coming from. In the past, I'm seeing is you were in a lot of confusion. It's possible that, Aquarius, you did not know what to choose in terms of very difficult choices or situations that you were in, and you took a lot of time to get over this energy. So I'm just saying is, this is somebody who spent a lot of time in a dilemma of indecisiveness. And then because there's a halo behind this man's head, it's telling me while you took forever, you came out of this difficult situation very well. It could have been something to do with school or college, or maybe your studies, or something to do with your entrepreneurship, or just some work you started. It's just something you were stuck with, and there were two choices to make, and out of the two, maybe there was a one choice to make or one option to go with. But you seem to have dealt with this situation very well, and you seem to be doing fine. You seem to be doing fine. What is the past your partner is coming from? Your partner has seen a lot of meanness in the past. It's almost like he or she's dealt with people who were very mean, and also your partner got labeled as somebody who's very mean. It's quite possible in the past your partner had this habit of just getting into a fight and not letting the other person win. So that mean streak is not seen here in the cards, so it is in the past. So it's quite possible that your partner has worked on a certain feedback or has undergone a change, to not keep fighting over smallest of things or not being mean. So I'm seeing a certain change. Your partner is very emotional, very well to do, has made a lot of money. So he or she has gone through a change of learning how to work with people, and that is showing in the relationship. He or she is very positive about you, loves you very deeply. So cards are all good. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? This is a relationship definitely at work. The two of you should not take this relationship or union or marriage for granted. Till the time you are working, there's a lot to show for, and I'm definitely seeing a lot of money. So, this marriage or a union or togetherness has a lot of money. Both of you are very, very hardworking and you enjoy working. You both like to go to work and create something and have pocket full of money. So you both have very you both are very grounded, and there is a lot of sound there is a lot of sound advice or wisdom the two of you seem to be working with, where you know that if you have enough money, things will go smooth between the two people. So you seem to be doing well, and as I said, you both are very clear that money makes life easy. So you both also are working, and there's money in the marriage, so or in the union. I do see both of you staying or living a good, luxurious, comfortable life together. So this is how the guidance is for you, Aquarius, and your love interest.